Dang, this kind of look better than the last one a little bit.
Jaykleezie.
Reprogram your subconscious, transform your identity. Yo, what is up with y'all? This is part 2 of the video my last video where I'm building in front of y'all. So I've had this idea where, like, you know, right now I'm in the process of trying to change my mindset and things like that for the new year. So I thought that I'll make an app to kind of like reinforce that, you know. I read this book called The Power of the Subconscious Mind, and it's something like you have to already, it's visualizations and speak like you already have it, which is a type of affirmation, I guess. So this app is going to help me like generate the most detailed visualization stories so I can repeat myself, you know, daily or a new one every day that kind of with the same idea, you know what I'm saying? I was gonna do like this whole app thing or whatever, but it's really a simple app, you know what I'm saying? I feel like this can be a simple website or web app, you know what I'm saying? And that's what I'm doing now. It's gonna generate me just a single HTML file that I can use, you know, throughout the day whenever I need to, you know, reframe my mind or whatever. So it's using, you know, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, basic front end stuff. I was using what was that thing? React. I was using React at first, but I don't have my React development environment set up on here just yet. So right now I'm just doing it. And you know, with that being said, y'all, I just got Codex 2, so I might use that. I've been hearing a lot of good things about Codex lately and how it's kind of better than Claude and everything. It's only $20 a month, so I went ahead and got that. And you know, I was building a lot of stuff earlier with it, and boy, it was surprising me. It was surprising me. So basically, what I asked it to do is to give me a prompt so I can put it in Codex, right? And I'm basically saying use basic coding stuff like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, nothing fancy. Make it a mobile friendly first, you know what I'm saying? Don't want a website necessarily that, you know, looks good on a laptop. Cause you know, when you're on the go and stuff, all you got is your phone. You don't got a big old laptop to carry around all the time. So that's why most of my apps and stuff are built for mobile. And you know, I kind of want to get away from the app store and all that. I want it to live on the web. So we're gonna let that go ahead, and I'm gonna get back to you when it's finished. All right, so it's done. It's about 600 lines of code, around 650, 659. And yeah, it looks like most of the code though is CSS stuff. Here goes some of the HTML, this, you know, basic div stuff and forms and section stuff, you know, web development. Then we got the JavaScript stuff, and I'm curious to know how it did the logic behind generating. So I'm gonna go ahead and load that up. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Dang, this kind of look better than the last one a little bit. Reprogram your subconscious, transform your identity. Identity sculpting, vision, immersion, daily momentum. I even got the dashboard and everything. Okay, new goal. I want to build an online audience by June 2026. Have about 6 months. And this is a career goal. The only thing that's blocking me with this is the consistency, right? Consistency. I am someone who I want. See, it's not perfect. It got little mistakes. I want to build an online audience by stay grounded, intentional, and committed to growth. Okay. See, right now it's kind of like hard coded, so the context doesn't really make sense. So I need to really connect some type of LLM to kind of generate this engine where it can generate stuff like that. So it even gets your streak, it even gets total sessions. Last practice never. It's our daily practice. Here we go. And maybe I'll put in a feature where it reads it to you, like text to speech. But that's later on. But yeah, here's a visualization right here. Over 6 months, I wake up feeling calm and powerful in my career life. I move through the morning with deliberate focus, sensing my body. Yeah, see, it's not really like, how do I say it? This is like generic, broad stuff. I needed to get specific down to like the touch, feel, smell, like the senses, you know what I'm saying? And here you go, got with the affirmations right here. Boom, 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 boom. Complete practice. Yep. Last practice, boom. Jaykleezie. Now, I'm curious to see this in a smaller window like this, like a phone. Okay. Matter of fact, hold up. What does it look like on the iPhone Pro Max? There you go. Okay. So it is mobile friendly. I love that. Mind shift. AI, dashboard, new goal. Yeah, this is exactly what I wanted. Something like this. I love the way it looks. The only thing I have to do is tweak that logic. So when I'm thinking is like, maybe I can just show y'all what I meant. But like, you know, the user will have this goal that represents the goal. This goal gets sent to some type of LLM engine, right? And then this spits out your visualization and your tailored visualization and your tailored affirmations. And then these both are stored in some type of, database. That's just a little workflow. But yeah, so basically what I have to do is connect this to an LLM, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do that and I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, so I added an API. Right now it's using a llama model, llama 3.3 versatile. Right now, I put in the goal I want. So I want to build an audience on YouTube. I want it to be done in 6 months. The life area is career, and being consistent and doubting myself is probably my main challenges. So I'm gonna click generate. Let's see if it works. It's generating. Oh, so wait, it got back to it. Okay, this is more, I like it. It's more tailored. So it says, I wake up feeling refreshed. The morning sunlight peeked through my window. As I get ready for the day, I think about my YouTube channel and the content I want to create. I feel a sense of clarity about the topics I want to cover and the message I want to share with my audience. My mind is focused. I know exactly what I need to do to move forward. As I sit down and plan my next video, I feel a sense of confidence in my abilities. I trust myself to create content that resonates with my viewers, and I'm excited to share my ideas with them. Take a moment to review my schedule for the week. I feel a sense of comfort knowing that I have a consistent routine in place. I found my rhythm as it feels sustainable. I think about my niche. I feel a sense of certainty about the path I've chosen. I've taken the time to understand, so forth and so forth. It just, I in present tense over and over again. That's gonna get your mind right. I'm telling you. Okay, this is more. I like it. It's more tailored. So it says, I wake up feeling refreshed. The morning sunlight peeks through my window. As I get ready for the day, I think about my YouTube channel and the content I want to create. I feel a sense of clarity about the topics I want to cover and the message I want to share with my audience. My mind is focused. I know exactly what I need to do to move forward. As I sit down to plan my next video, I feel a sense of confidence in my abilities. I trust myself to create content that resonates with my viewers, and I'm excited to share my ideas with them. I take a moment to review my schedule for the week. I feel a sense of comfort knowing that I have a consistent routine in place. I found my rhythm as it feels sustainable. I think about my niche. I feel a sense of certainty about the path I've chosen. I've taken the time to understand, so forth and so forth. It just, I, in present tense over and over again. That's gonna get your mind right. I'm telling you. This is just my normal now, and it feels right. You know what I'm saying? Let's continue the affirmations. I'm committed to okay, see now that the affirmations are a little bit out of whack. You know what I'm saying? But this is better. This is better. You know what I'm saying? Complete practice. I want to try another one. Another goal is to learn how to trade and give myself 3 months for that. Let's see. The right strategy. All right, so we did that. We'll go ahead and generate that. Boom, already got it back. So let's start practice.
Jaykleezie.
Okay, see now it's starting to expose itself. It's a little bit repetitive. It's not too custom like I thought it was. Let me see, it does have that. All right. So now I need to fix this right here. You know what I'm saying? I need to fix this right here. It's so many possible things, especially if you already had the knowledge. Just build, bro. Just build. Trust and believe. Just build. Always believe in yourself and always go for it. I'll see you on the next video.